Hey friends, welcome back. The following portion of Mini Now is sponsored by Hudson Plumbing.
That's right. We have the GM Keaton with us. He's talking more about the importance of routine maintenance and this really cool technology that you have. Welcome back, Keaton.
Yeah, thanks for having me again.
Good to see you,
here.
man.
Yeah.
How are things down in Martinsville?
Good. Nice to be here. They're great. They're going good. Busy. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys cover Martinsville. I mean, you cover a lot of places.
Plainfield, Martinsville, Bedford, but yeah,
awesome.
we got a big territory.
Thanks for making the drive up, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
What the heck is this? What are we doing?
Well, this is going to be a demonstration. So when you call a plumber out, let's say you have some issues with your drains, there's kind of a process, and we're going to kind of get to see that firsthand today.
Is this strictly like, hey, I don't know why, but my sink is overflowing, my toilet's not flushing? What is it?
Yeah, exactly. So there's kind of like some signs that are going to allude to, hey, you may have an issue, some gurgling, if your toilet's not going down.
Right.
That's probably time to get ahead of it, get a plumber out.
All right.
Yeah, so look for those signs, right?
Yes,
If
exactly.
you see that gurgling,
Yep. Yep.
Yes.
The canary in the coal mines, before it happens, get a plumber out and let them do their process.
Yeah, you don't want a gurgling pipe.
Yeah.
I can
Bring
tell
an
you, that's
expert in.
terrifying if
Yeah.
you do nothing about it. Okay,
Right.
can you show us how this works?
Yeah, so Ryan, I'm gonna use your help. I'm gonna trade you. You go on that side.
Okay, great.
I'm gonna give you some gloves,
Yeah.
okay?
Oh,
You're gonna
look
take
at
our
this.
locator. So
Yes.
when we come out to the house, we do three things when we run a drain call. We run drain machine.
Okay.
We run a camera, and we locate it if there's a problem.
Okay.
So Ryan's gonna do some locating today, so you're gonna be locating the head of our camera.
There's so much foreshadowing because I'm getting a colonoscopy next week.
Oh,
and
There you go, right.
like,
we did not just draw a
this
parallel.
is a lot.
Right.
This is a lot. Okay, all right.
So let me show you to do this. It's kind of like a game.
Yeah.
You're
sorry.
gonna take this,
Uh-huh.
and there's gonna be crosshairs,
Jeez,
and you're gonna
Opie.
find our camera. The camera's about right there.
Crosshairs,
So hold
sure.
it about a foot over it,
Okay.
and if you see it on the screen,
Yeah.
there you go. See that?
Oh,
You want to line those two
looks
things
like
up.
there's a clog or something.
Well, let's
there.
see what we find. Let's pretend this is your house. You called us out.
Yep.
Let's see what your drain line looks like.
Okay, so what do? I move this along?
You're just gonna follow it. So I'm gonna start
Okay.
pushing it.
Oh, this is
Okay,
cool.
and then here's
I'm
the
gonna-
screen
yeah,
right
there's the
here.
screen.
Wait, hold on. I got to find the thing again.
Yep. It
Sorry.
can be
Okay,
a-
wait. Hold on.
You got it?
There we go. There we go.
All right. I'm gonna
Okay.
push it a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's see. We got something.
Oh, what's up?
You got roots.
What is it?
Oh, we got roots?
You got some roots.
Oh, gosh.
We're gonna keep going.
Oh,
Keep
gosh.
going.
Oh, wait, sorry. Hold on. Let me catch up.
Let
Yep.
me know when you got it.
Yep, I got it. I'm right
Look
in the
at
middle.
that
Keep going.
clear
Oh, we got something
picture.
there. We don't even know what that is.
Is this not
Wait a
foreshadowing
minute.
of my
Wait a
procedure
minute.
next week?
Ryan,
Hold on.
I've seen a lot of things.
What the heck is
I've
that?
never seen anything like this.
What the heck is
What
that?
is that?
Oh, my gosh.
Look at that. You got
Look at that
roots.
guy. What is it?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Just give
there?
us a call. You get to that point, just give us a call. So,
Look
If
at that
I'm in your
smirk.
pipes at home, I'm sorry. It says clogged drain, trust your plumber.
that's it.
Imagine finding
gosh.
that in your
Not good.
pipes.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
So,
Oof.
but
Wow.
that's kind of the process, maybe minus that at the end, but
Yeah.
if you see roots, there's kind of a next step. We want to talk about how they get there, how we get them out.
Yeah.
And it's kind of a process, but yeah.
I can't believe how clear this picture was here.
It's like HD.
I mean, you can see Ryan's face so clearly.
I
It looks
I
really
promise
great.
you,
Pretty face, look at that.
I promise you, I'm not lurking in your pipes, friends. That is so fun. I love that you guys have a sense of humor about
Oh,
this
yeah,
too.
we're gonna
Obviously,
have fun,
you
so.
take your
Yeah.
job seriously.
We do, yep.
And remind us, how often should people have their drains cleaned in the first place?
You know, if you've got your drains replaced, it's not
Uh-huh.
something you need to worry about. But if you've got old pipes or never had them replaced, it's a good idea. I would start by having a plumber come out and do this.
Yes.
Have them do a camera inspection. Let's see what the drains look
Yeah.
like. Are they in good
Right.
shape? I would start with that. It's not that you have to have routine maintenance, but if you're having some issues, maybe once a year, once every 2 years, have this done.
Good to
Wow,
know.
so you
Yeah.
can let your customers actually see what's going
Absolutely.
on.
Oh,
See,
yeah.
I think that gives people peace of mind.
Sure does.
Because
Yeah.
otherwise, you don't know. You're like, okay, show me what's there.
I was
So-
terrified when I saw my face, but if you see something else,
scary.
you know you're calling the right people. TrustYourPlumber.com is their website. Again, down there in Martinsville is the beautiful showroom. I went down there, saw some of your cool tankless water heaters, your showers, your toilets, everything
Yeah,
that you
walk
guys
on
offer.
in. Yeah, whatever you got going on, we'll answer any questions you have.
It's really cool.
So cool. And
Yeah.
you've got a promo going on, right?
Yeah, so we
Yes.
have a 99 clear the line drain special in our area. So give us a call. You need to have a clean out. We'll come out and do pretty much what you've seen right here, maybe minus. You know, we don't want to see Ryan in there, but other
Or
than
do
that,
you know?
Maybe some people do.
right?
There it is. Let's get another shot
For
of
a special price, you can. No. That's not part of it.
TrustYourPlumber.com, 99 bucks. Tell them, hey, I saw you guys on Indy Now. Live local TV works, you guys, and give them a
Yeah.
call and have them come on out to wherever you got a clock.
Yeah,
Keaton, good to see you, man.
Thank you
thanks
for
for having
making
I don't
this
think you're
so
going to get
fun.
this back.
Thank you.
Yes,
Yeah, fun.
this was so cool and informative. All
Yeah.
the information is up on the screen right there. And the preceding portion of Mini Now was sponsored by Hudson Plumbing.